Alright folks, so we're talking about belt knives today, bushcraft knives, survival knives. To be honest, they're all really one and the same in my mind. Anybody who engages in activities such as hiking, camping, fishing, hunting, anything outdoors really should have a good belt knife with them, right? Now, what makes a good belt knife? Well, first things first is you have to find a fixed blade knife. No folders. I don't like folders just for the fact that mechanically they can fail far before a fixed blade knife can. Now, fixed blade is full tang, so from the tip down to the hilt here is all one piece of steel. Okay, same piece of steel, no welds, no nothing like that. Material, preferably high carbon steel of some kind. 1055, 1065, 1095, pretty common, pretty widely available. High carbon steel, at least in my neck of the woods of the Upper Peninsula, does not rust at all. And really, how to prevent rust, anyways, and all your equipment is through maintenance. You should be taking care of your tools, anyways. Take care of your tools, will take care of you. But high carbon steel can actually be used to actually affect fire if you don't have, say, a Bic lighter or lighter of some kind, ferrocene rod, or magnifying glass or sunglass. If you can find some kind of rocks on the forest floor or beach or whatever it's going to be, specifically chert, flint, or quartz, look those rocks up, understand what they look like, both dry and wet, characteristics of them, and you should be able to identify them easier out in the field. However, any old rock that you find in the forest floor or beach or whatever, and you can sit there and you can strike against the spine of your knife and it throws sparks, it's a good rock to hang on to. You're going to want to collect about 3 to 5 of those things, just to be on the safe side. Now, that's material. The handle, that's really up to your choice. I like curly maple, but personally, I've seen these with the rubberized handle as well. I think those are kind of cool as well. But design of the actual blade itself, that's up to you. But blade length, I would personally opt for anywhere from 4 to 6 inches blade length, just for the fact that if you look historically throughout the United States, most frontiersmen carried knives of 4 to 6 inches, depending on the use of said knife. But that's just kind of the common. It's lightweight. It's not over cumbersome, like say a large Bowie or a kukri or anything like that. Very nimble, very easy to use. You know, first time users to advanced users can use a knife this size just fine. Now, grind, that is completely up to you on a personal taste. I personally have been falling in love with the Scandi grind more than the convex grind lately. And the reason being is because the Scandi offers robustness like the convex, but also offers good, well, yeah, good skinning and whittling, as in carving, abilities, just like the hollow grind. So, good mixture of the two. And obviously, just be smart about your knife. Don't abuse the crap out of it if you don't have to. And another thing that you want on your knife is going to be a sharp 90-degree spine. Okay, as you guys can see throughout the videos, I'm using it to shave wood off of stuff. I'm using it to start a fire with my ferrocene rod, so on and so forth, guys. It can be even used to remove a stinger from, say, a bee or a wasp or whatever that's implanted in your skin. Just something sharp, rigid. Take the stinger out. Just a little pro tip there for you as well. So that's kind of what makes a good belt knife to me. Hopefully, you guys will agree. And if you guys don't got one, you know, you can shop around on the internet. This is the PKS, so Pathfinder Knife Shop, Curly Maple. I think it's the Scorpion XL. Yeah, Scorpion XL. Don't have to get that expensive a knife. I know Jeff White put out some good knives that were like 50, $60. Pretty good there too. You always make your own knife too in your backyard in like a homemade forge. It's not as hard as people think it is. Actually, relatively easy. But why I'm carrying this opposed to the knife I made in my backyard is because this is lighter, and quite frankly, the grind is better. So, anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching the skill sets and whatnot. Please subscribe, like, share the video. As always, stay frosty, prep up. God bless.